As a president, I tend to be very active on social media, especially on Facebook and Instagram, and this makes me very well connected with all the students of Parul University. So, being so active in social media, I also happen to come across with many students who are going to join Parul University as freshmen, and many of them have questions about how their life will be at Parul University. So I thought of it will be a great idea to take up some of their questions and to answer to the best of my abilities. So maybe we can start. So the first question is, as a new student, which best places do you think I should visit in my first time at Parul University campus? So very interesting and very intriguing question. I think when you come to Parul University, the first thing that will come to your notice is the aura of the campus. As soon as you enter into the campus, you see the greenery of the campus, the hugeness of the infrastructure, the flowering of the plants in the gardens of the Parul University. This is the first thing which will come to your notice. We have beautiful peacocks in the campus, which often gets the notice of the students as well as the parents. I Love PU Circle is the center point of the campus, which most of the students would like to take selfie at. We have certain beautiful art pieces inside the campus which were made by more than 21 international artists. Many students like to take their selfies at these places. T-Post is one of the most visited places by the students as well as the parents as well as all the staff members of the Parul University. Another good place you would like is the passage just besides University building, which is very green and very spacious, very airy. The sport complex, the gym, these are one of the best places and most looked after places by the students. I am sure when you come to the university for the first time, you will definitely enjoy to visit these places. So let me move to the next question, and the next question says, in my school days, I was involved in so many sports. Are there any sporting opportunities and facilities on the campus? Of course, there are plenty of opportunities for sports for students at Parul University. We have two big Olympic, or I would say university level football ground capable of hosting even international football matches. We have one international standard cricket ground on the campus which can even host Ranji or international matches at the Parul University. We have very good indoor sports complex as well as outdoor sports complex which facilitates games such as basketball, badminton, volleyball, tennis, kabaddi and many more. And apart from that, we also have gym, we also have a swimming pool. So I think all the students who have the sports as a need of life, they will definitely enjoy their life at Parul University. The next question is, during our academics, do we learn in classroom only or we can also get to actually practice what we learn? Definitely you have to practice what you learn, and for that we have more than 200 laboratories at the university which ensures hands-on learning of the students. Apart from that, we have industry mentors coming to the university and telling them what is more important in the practical life when they join their career in the industries. We take our students for industry visits, we take our students for education tours, and we train our students on several softwares which make the student learn the best in the technology, in the career which they have decided to pursue with Parul University. So of course, most of the students will get the opportunity to practice whatever they learn in the classrooms. So the next question is, personally, I like making TikTok videos, music and dancing. Is there a way I can continue my talents on campus? Yes, definitely there are multiple ways by which you can not only continue your talent but you can also nurture your talent. Parul University has a cultural and technical event cell which supports students who are good at cultural activities, maybe singing, dancing, playing music. So there are separate teachers, there are separate mentors who help the students to nurture their talent and to participate in inter-college event at the university and to participate in all India university competition, which many of our students have even won. Same goes for the technical event. Students who are very good at technicalities, they are also getting good opportunity at Parul University. We have annual technical festivals like Projections, Explore, Pharma Fest, Appli Fest and many more, where the students can display their talent. They can display their project in the Tech Expo, which is hosted every year at Parul University. So tremendous opportunities for the students. We even have a special scholarship for students who are good at cultural and technical activities as well as sports activity. So students who are having talent in this area, they can definitely pursue this scholarship and can nurture their talents. And this brings me to another question. It says, it has always been my passion to learn in other countries and explore other culture. Is there any way I can do this during my course? Definitely, I think Parul University is one of the most diverse university in India. We have students from all the states of India and students from more than 50 nationalities. So while you just choose to be at Parul University, you expose yourself to all this diversity. But if you are not just looking for that diversity but you want to explore the world, there is a cell called International Relations Cell, wherein it will help you to pursue your summer school, semester exchange program, annual exchange program, maybe a fellowship, or maybe even your higher education in universities abroad which are of repute in US, Canada, UK, Europe, Russia, Australia and New Zealand. And all this assistance is totally free of cost for the students, and this will help the students to develop a global perspective while they pursue their course at Parul University. So I hope this explains the question very well. So this takes me to the last question, and that is, I would like to know some of the ways in which we will be able to study if this coronavirus pandemic still continues. I really wish that this doesn't happen, but if at all this happens, we are definitely equipped to tackle with that. All the 3 months of the lockdown, we have been active and digitally empowering our teachers as well as the students. Our faculties have been using various platforms like Google Hangouts, like Microsoft Teams, like Jitsi, like Zoom application, like Flint, like Blackboard Collaborate, to digitally connect with the students and make the virtual experience as good as the real experience for our students. Apart from that, there has been series of webinars. Many personalities have joined our Instagram pages and interacted with our students. We have given many certification programs to our students, and I'm very proud to tell that Parul University is the only university in entire India which has conducted entire examination online, and there is not a single student who has been promoted just based on the previous performance. So we have actually made our students work hard during the period of lockdown, and that has made Parul University students stand apart in comparison to other universities. And this digitally empowered university is what you need to make your future better in this area of pandemic, where most of the academic institutions are suffering to support their students. So I think yes, we are very well prepared to teach you and to nurture you even if this corona pandemic continues in time to come. So with this, I wish all of you a very best of luck, and we all look forward to see you very soon at the campus of Parul University. Thank you.